Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to power button on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and open gestures option, and right here we have to click on press and hold power button. And now, as you can see, we have to click on a digital assistant, and when we press and hold power button, we're gonna have here our assistant. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!